Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. If you are into camping and survival, you are in the right place. We are a YouTube channel dedicated to reviewing the best gear available and helping you be prepared for any situation and to help you get even more prepared. Additional product details can be found at the links I've provided below. So without further ado, let's get started.
First aid to several people and explore the wilderness with greater security. Every kit features a unique external map listing all its contents. Inside the kit are clear pockets that are organized and labeled by injury, so you know exactly where to reach. The wound care pocket features an irrigation syringe to clean wounds, butterfly closure bandage to close wound edges, and sterile dressings to protect wounds. The cuts and scrape section includes our exclusive Easy Open technology, easy access bandages, antibiotic ointment, tincture of benzoin, and wipes, including medications that treat allergic reactions, itches, pain and fever, inflammation, and diarrhea. Fracture and sprain items include a 36 by 4 inch C-splint, plus a wide variety of wraps and bandages to immobilize and support fractures. Adventure Medical Kit's exclusive manual, a comprehensive guide to wilderness and travel medicine, is an indispensable resource that provides instructions for diagnosis and treatment, illustrates life-saving and trip-extending solutions, and includes step-by-step detailed guidance for using your kit's contents. It's like having a doctor in your bag. Take life-saving trauma supplies with you and leave the larger kit at base camp. This lightweight waterproof trauma pack has supplies to administer CPR and to stop severe bleeding, featuring a Wound Stop trauma bandage and SWAT T tourniquet. The Wound Stop is an all-in-one trauma bandage in a compact, lightweight package. With its built-in 4 inch by 7 inch trauma pad, 3-yard elastic bandage, and sturdy closure bar, the Wound Stop trauma bandage is an indispensable tool for stopping major bleeds. A versatile trauma tool, the SWAT T is a go-to tourniquet for military, EMS, and civilians alike. Simply stretch, wrap, and tuck to stop bleeding quickly in an emergency. The SWAT T can also be used as a pressure dressing, elastic bandage, shoulder sling, and more. The Sportsman Series medical kits provide you with the highest quality first aid supplies and medical information based on the most current guidelines.
When hiking in the backcountry, the elements can be unforgiving. Accidents happen in a flash, so you need to be prepared. Water damage is the enemy to your emergency supplies, but so are disorganized first aid kits. Thankfully, a new waterproof first aid kit is making a splash. Introducing the Surviveware Small Waterproof First Aid Kit. 600D TPU material with premium quality internal supplies. A durable and compact first aid kit. IPX7 certified waterproof rating, designed to protect your supplies. Perfect for hiking, backpacking, and outdoor adventures. Its many features make it the perfect companion on your outdoor adventure. 100% waterproof. Because this kit is so well organized, it becomes your guide during an emergency. Invest in an organized system for your safety. Disasters are becoming more common every day. Removable MOLLE
Inside the kit are semi-transparent pockets that are organized and labeled by injury in French and English, so you know exactly where to reach. The wound care pocket features an irrigation syringe to clean wounds, wound closure strips to close wound edges, and pre-cut moleskins and glacier gel burn dressings to treat hot spots and blisters. Adventure Medical Kit's exclusive manual, a comprehensive guide to wilderness and travel medicine, is an indispensable resource that provides instructions for diagnoses and treatment, illustrates life-saving and trip-extending solutions, and includes step-by-step detailed guidance for using your kit's contents. It's like having a doctor in your bag. High-quality instruments include EMT shears, CPR face shield, and single-use thermometers. Fracture and sprain items include a 36 by 4 inch C-splint, plus a wide variety of wraps and bandages to immobilize and support fractures. The medications pocket includes after-bite bite treatment, as well as space to pack your own medications to treat pain, fever, inflammation, diarrhea, and allergic reactions. Cuts and scrapes items include our exclusive easy access bandages, plus antiseptic wipes and more. Stop bleeding fast with a 10-centimeter emergency bandage, nitrile gloves, and trauma pads. The International Mountain Series medical kits provide you with the highest quality first aid supplies.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed our video, don't forget to hit the like button below. And if you want to see similar videos in the future, smash that subscribe and make sure to turn the notification bell on. For now, that's all I've got. And in all that you do, we want to help you beat yesterday.